Hi there, and welcome to Thunkable, the platform where anyone can build their own mobile apps. In just a few minutes, we are going to build an app that can talk to you. This is what the app looks like. When we click on this button, our app will say hello to us.
Hello.
I encourage you to pause and follow along with this video. You can still work in Thunkable even when this video is open and playing by moving it around. You can resize this video like this and move it to the side of your page. You can also close and reopen the tutorial video by going to the tutorial panel on the left or clicking the resume button at the bottom. This is the App Designer page where you can build and design your apps. This is kind of like your design workshop where you can decide what to put inside your app and what your app looks like. On the left side of your screen, you have your app tree. The app tree helps you organize the components in your app. Right under the app tree, we have app components. These are different features that you can put into your app. Thunkable has visible and invisible components. A visible component is something like a button that you can see on your screen. If you want to add a visible component to your app, simply drag and drop it onto the screen. For this app, we are going to add a button. An invisible component is a component that we can't just drop onto the screen, but we can control with visible components. For example, we are going to drop the text-to-speech component into the app. It doesn't change the appearance of the screen, but we can see the text-to-speech component here under our design tree in Invisible Components. On the right side of your screen, you have the Properties panel. This panel allows you to customize the design of the different components. To change a component's design, simply select a component on the app tree, and then you can change the design on its Properties panel. For example, you can change the background color of the screen. I'll change it to red. If you have any questions about what each component does, click on the little question mark. This will take you to our documentation page where you can learn more about each component. That's an overview of how to design your app. Let's talk about programming. To program your app, click on the Blocks section. This is the Blocks editor. We've created these blocks that snap together like puzzle pieces. We can click on this button drawer and get the When Button Click block. Inside this block, we'll add the text-to-speech block, which we can get from the text-to-speech drawer. We can leave this default hello as the text that will be read out loud. So now you know where to design and program your apps. The last part is testing your apps. There are a few ways to test your app. The easiest way is to click the Live Test button. This will automatically create a version of your app that you can test on your computer. Let's make sure our app does what we want it to do. It should say hello to us when we click the button.
Hello.
It works. If you want to test your apps directly on your phone or tablet, you can also download the Thunkable Live app on the Google Play Store or App Store. This will allow you to send your apps directly to your personal devices. If you want to publish your apps, you can also upload them to the Google Play Store or App Store by clicking Publish right here. The easiest way to publish an app is to select Publish as a web app. For pro creators, we also offer the opportunity to publish your app as a web app. Publishing as a web app immediately turns your project into a URL, which is really easy to share. All you need to do is send someone your project link, and they will be able to access your web app. Also, if you have any questions, please check out the Thunkable Community Forum where you can connect with app creators around the world. To learn more about Thunkable's features, please go through the videos in the tutorial panel over here. Click on this arrow to go to the next tutorial. Thanks for thunking!